Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram black screen story. To know how to fix Instagram black screen story, you should just go to settings. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here and you will click like this, and then you will find and you will go down to find Instagram, as you see here. And then in this page you will go to force stop. When you will click force stop, then you can go to storage here like this, and after that in this page you will go to clear cache, and after that you will click clear data, so then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.